Welcome to day 22 of Zen31, Chakra Balancing. So come to a standing position at the top of your mat. Chakras are energy centers located from the base of the spine to the crown of the head, and we're going to explore each chakra and provide balancing through postures and mindfulness. Bring your feet hip-width distance and relax your arms to your sides. Close your eyes and take your focus to your breath. Moving to the first chakra, the root chakra or Muladhara chakra, it's located at the base of the spine. It's an earth element and the color is ruby red. It affects the legs and the back. And when balanced, we feel grounded and safe in our environment. When unbalanced, we might be fearful or lack confidence. On your next inhale, reach your arms above your head, and as your inhale ends, touch your hands above your head. Exhale, bring your hands to your heart center. Do that again. Inhale, reach your arms above your head, and exhale, bring your hands to heart center. We're going to add an affirmation. So inhale, repeat to yourself as you raise your arms, I am love. And as you exhale and bring your hands to your heart, repeat, I am supported. Inhale, I am love. Exhale, I am supported. Repeat this a few more times at your pace. Moving on to the second chakra, open your eyes and inhale, reach your arms above your head. Exhale, hinge forward at your hips into a forward fold. Plant your hands and step your left foot back to a lunge, dropping your left knee to the ground. Walk your hands up onto your right thigh, lift your chest, relax your shoulders. Keep your eyes steady. And if it doesn't compromise your balance, close your eyes. The second chakra, or Svadhisthana, is located below the navel. The color is a burnt orange color, and the element is water. When balanced, our creative juices are flowing, and we're able to feel pleasure in all areas of our life. We're able to go with the flow in any situation. When it's out of balance, we might be emotional, have addictive tendencies, and this chakra affects our hips and low back. So see if you can sink your hips a little deeper as you keep your chest lifted, and repeat to yourself as you breathe, I am creative. I am creative. Not only repeating the mantra or the affirmation, but understanding how this applies in your life. Release the hands, step forward back to a forward bend, and let's switch sides. Right foot steps back, drop the right knee. Walk your hands up to your thigh, keep the chest lifted and shoulders relaxed. Focusing on that area of the second chakra below the navel, or the sacral chakra. And this time repeat, I am inspired. I am inspired. The hips are sinking, the breath is flowing. We are connecting. Release your hands, step back forward to a forward fold. And then come to a seated position. Knees bent, feet planted in front of you. The third chakra, or solar plexus chakra, is known as Manipura, and this is right at the navel center. We're coming to boat pose, so place your hands behind your thighs, lean back slightly, roll the shoulders back so the chest is lifted, and then rock the tailbone down a little bit. Lift your feet up. You can keep holding onto the back of the thighs or lift your arms up for more intensity. Close your eyes and visualize the color yellow, like the sun, radiating at your navel center. It's a fire element, and this connects to our abdominals and our personal power, our identity, our ego, right? Balanced ego, our digestive system. When this chakra is out of balance, we might have self-esteem issues or exude dominant behavior. Repeat to yourself as you hold boat pose just for a few more breaths. I am empowered. As you breathe, imagine the energy in this area expanding and strengthening. Gently release and come to a prone position on your belly. Legs come behind you, rest on your elbows. So elbows should be stacked under your shoulders, hands in front of you, palms up or palms down. The heart chakra is our fourth chakra, Anahata, and you guessed it, it's at the heart center. Close your eyes and let's visualize this color, emerald green. It's beautiful, glowing and radiating at your heart center. It's an air element, and this chakra is all about love, compassion, understanding, and empathy. When this chakra is out of balance, we might feel codependent, have narcissistic tendencies, or even respiratory issues. Guide your awareness to your heart center and repeat to yourself, I am at peace. I am at peace. As you continue to breathe and connect with this energy center, send love and compassion to yourself and others. Now gently roll over onto your back as we guide our way up to the fifth chakra in the throat center. Rest on your elbows, lift your chest up, and tilt your head back. And if it doesn't feel comfortable to tilt the head back, you can place a pillow or a bolster under your head. This is called fish pose. Close your eyes and visualize the color turquoise blue radiating at your throat center. The element is ether or space, and the qualities of this chakra are your truth, your authenticity, and communication. If this chakra is unbalanced, you might find yourself being dishonest or unable to listen, have a fear of speaking, or thyroid issues. As you open this throat and visualize the beautiful energy swirling within, repeat, I am worthy of being heard. I am worthy of being heard. Gently release out of the pose. Roll back over onto your belly. Rise up to your hands and knees. And let's come to child's pose. So we travel up to our sixth chakra, Ajna chakra, which is the third eye chakra, and it's located between your eyebrows. As you sit back, rest your hands on top of one another and your forehead on your hands. Close your eyes and visualize the color indigo, a deep blue purple, right in the center of your forehead, the third eye. This represents your intuition, imagination, and seeing things clearly. When this chakra is out of balance, we might lack concentration, have headaches or migraines, or even feel depressed. Repeat the affirmation, I am guided, as you visualize your intuition and inner wisdom. I am guided. Making our way up now to our seventh chakra. It's called the crown chakra or Sahasrara, located right at the top of the head, your crown. So reach back with your hands for your heels. Bring your legs and your knees together. Tuck your chin to your chest, lift your hips up and roll onto the crown of the head. This is called hair pose. You'll feel a beautiful stretch in the back of the body and connection to the crown of your head towards the earth. Visualize the color violet or white at the top of the head. This is your higher consciousness, the universe, your higher power, whatever that means to you. When your chakra is imbalanced, you feel connected. If it's unbalanced, you might have learning difficulties, spiritual cynicism, or an overly intense intellectualism. As you hold this posture and you visualize this light, imagine a beautiful glowing lotus or 1,000-petaled lotus flower at the crown of your head and repeat to yourself, I am one with the universe. I am one with the universe. Feel a connection to the universe and higher consciousness. All right, rise up and come onto your back. Let's make our way into our final resting posture, Shavasana, as we revisit each chakra from root to crown. First chakra, base of the spine, Muladhara. The color is red. Groundedness. Second chakra, below the navel, Svadhisthana. The color is orange. Creativity. Third chakra, navel center, Manipura. The color is yellow. Personal power. Fourth chakra, Anahata, heart center. The color is emerald green. Love. Fifth chakra, throat center, turquoise. Communication. Sixth chakra, Ajna chakra, third eye, indigo. Intuition. Seventh chakra, crown chakra, Sahasrara, violet or white. Higher consciousness. As you move through this practice, you may have recognized a chakra or two that might be unbalanced, something to bring your attention to, and possibly something for you to work on. Ride this wave of energy throughout your day and beyond. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you tomorrow for day 23. Namaste.